Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, if you have a Mazda vehicle and you have the TPMS light, this is the tire pressure monitor system light on guys, we'll explain how to remove and replace the TPMS sensor. So, this is guys the Mazda wheel here. It will be pretty much the same procedure for any Mazda vehicle guys. Tell you guys we'll cover everything from start to finish, and you can find in the description of the video below where we order our parts from. In addition guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. So, please subscribe guys, that's all we need in return. What we need now, you will need guys a tire machine for that part. You're going to go ahead, and remove the valve stem core and get the air out of the tire. Okay, we will let the air out and we will continue. So once you let the air out guys, okay, we're going to go ahead and use the tire machine now. Okay, and we're going to break the bead loose now. Okay, how we do that, let me show you. Okay, now this is most of the times the TPMS sensor is on the valve stem. Okay, that's how the modern vehicles are. The first ones that came out at the very beginning, like Ford, they used to be on the wheel and they used to be 180 degrees from the valve stem. So if you go anywhere, okay, about 90 degrees from the valve stem, you're safe guys. Okay, now we'll do the same thing to the back side. Okay, you have to stay away from the valve stem again. Next guys, we'll just get the tire with the wheel on the machine. And how you remove it now? We need to turn the valve stem to come to about right here, and we'll show you why. Okay, just a little bit more, that's too much. Okay, now with the two you have to be extremely careful. If you come down, okay, this is your TPMS sensor, you have to be extremely careful not to damage it. Get the tire out like that, so that way it's not going to catch the sensor, because if you do it in another angle, the tire will catch the sensor and you can break it. Now bring it a little bit more this way. Again, the same position, the same location. Okay, check this thing out now. The sensor, okay, it's down there guys. You can see how it's safe like that. And the wheel came off, the tire came off of the wheel. Now I'm going to release it. And from that point on guys, in order to remove it, okay, you can see this is your TPMS sensor right here. In order to remove it, you can see there is one nut on the front. All we have to do, okay, get that nut loose and we'll be able to pull the whole sensor assembly out of there. So in our case it's 12 mm. Okay, we're going to go ahead, get the nut loose. Okay, now just wiggle it a little bit. Okay guys, and this is your TPMS sensor out of a Mazda car guys. That's how you remove it. Replacement, it's in the same way, in reverse order we took it apart. Sometimes you have to guys reprogram that, those things. We have a video how to do that. You can check out what tool we use in the description of the video below and where we get our replacement parts. So thank you for watching guys, please subscribe and see you guys next time.